Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off direct messages on TikTok. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, here it is, and then at the bottom right click on profile button, right up here. Then you need to make sure you logged in your account, and then at the top right corner you need to click on the three lines button, and then the last option, settings and privacy. Then you will see the list of options. You need to click on the second one, privacy, here it is, and then scroll down a little bit and find direct messages, here it is, and then the first one option, permission settings, here it is, and then you will see two different options. First of all, you need to click on the first one, potential connections, and then you need to choose requests or don't receive. If you choose don't receive, people won't be able to send you a message. So then you need to click to update settings, then go back and click on the second option, others on TikTok, and then if you choose don't receive, no one will be able to send you a messages. So if you actually don't want to receive any messages, you need to choose don't receive here and don't receive in potential connections option. So only after that you won't receive any messages. So, and that's all, and that's how to turn on or off direct messages on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.